Mic check. 1, 2, 3. Can you guys hear me?
It's exciting to be here in person.
Today, we're taking you behind the scenes in the world of Android.
Jetpack Compose is Android's modern toolkit for building native UI.
We believe that Jetpack Compose is the best way to build rich, beautiful UIs.
Migrating to Compose dramatically reduced the time required for UI debugging.
It took our team less than half the time that it took iOS and web.
I'm gonna need a minute to compose myself.
Lorena.
Android 13 comes jam-packed with dozens of new security and privacy features.
Today, I'll be talking through what's next on the Privacy Sandbox on Android.
Android 13 enables capturing HDR content right in your application.
We launched our joint platform with Samsung last year. And earlier today, we announced the Google Pixel Watch, which brings together the best of Fitbit and Wear OS.
Over the last year, we've focused on delivering major benefits to your watch. From making it seamless to access apps on Google Play, to bringing users' favorite Google experiences to Galaxy Watches.
To make it faster and easier to build apps for Wear OS, we announced the Compose for Wear OS 1.0 release this summer.
We're excited to continue growing the wearable space with our most high-tech Galaxy Watch yet. Introducing the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro.
This year, we are going big on large screens and tablets.
Changing the way users interact with Android apps on any size screen.
So starting today, we'll be updating more than 20 Google apps to look amazing on large screens.
We want to make sure that the YouTube experience looks great on foldable phones.
One of the reasons that I'm so excited to work on Android is the unique Android developer community.
I wanted to share a tip about creating separate data models.
You have no idea how deep this rabbit hole goes.
From the experiences you build for users to the feedback that you give us to help make our tools better, thank you.
Are you still here? Why are you still here?